So if the battery is dead on your Quip toothbrush, you don't have to throw it out. You can replace the battery in seconds. You just need the Quip toothbrush, a new brush head. If you're changing it at the time, you don't necessarily need a new brush head, and then a single AAA battery. There's a AAA battery in here, just a standard household AAA. That's what this thing uses. Okay, so to change the battery, it's a very simple process. You want to recognize these two dots right here. Now get your thumb on one hand here, hold the base securely and push it away from you, applying a pressure to these two dots right here and a little bit of pressure here. You'll see it kind of pop right there. Again, you want to push it away from you and it'll sort of pop. As long as you're applying pressure on these dots here and the space next to those dots, now you're going to pull it apart. Now you have your brush head, put that someplace safe, and now you have this little baffled type thing with these little wings on it. You want to pull those little wings. It should be very gentle. It'll come out here. That's your motor unit. Set that aside. And in here, we'll have a single AAA battery. Very simple. The positive side, that's the side that goes out, that will be up. Negative side goes down. And that's it. This is just a piece of waterproof plastic. When you're ready to get with your new battery, you'll get it here, pop it in here. Again, positive side up, slide it down. Get your motor unit. It is going to line up with the shape of this angle here, the shape of the case with those little wings that will go into this indentation here. Slide it down. It'll have a little bit of resistance. That resistance is because it's forming a watertight seal right here. It's a little bit airtight because of this ring. Just give it a slight push right here. You'll push past it. Another slight push right here. That's the other O-ring. It'll fit into shape quite nicely. It might lift up a little bit on you. That's that pressure in here that's keeping it airtight, or keeping it watertight and I guess somewhat airtight. So don't worry about it if it goes like this. That's fine. Now get your toothbrush head. That will keep it down. The highest point of this blue will line up with the highest point of this ring. That's the dimple spot. Basically just now line those up, give it a push. It'll pop into place. It'll feel nice and secure. You'll push the button and everything will work just as it did when you first got it. So that's how you change the battery on your Quip toothbrush. Thanks for watching.